Do you need a place to dock your yacht? Located on a 150 feet wide deep water canal, with 2 covered boat slips and lifts, one with a touchless cover, a 70 feet dock, 2 pedestals with 2 to 50 amp outlets. Just 8 houses off the river. Resort-style living, 4-bedroom S, with master on main floor, huge great room with gas fireplace, double sliding glass doors brings the outside in, large lanai with Brazilian hardwood decking overlooking the pool with beach entry, waterfall, 6 tiki torches sets the tropical mood. This home features wood floors throughout, tons of custom woodworking, mouldings, built-in bookcases, excellent entertaining kitchen-aid appliances, pantry with southern charm screen door, butler's pantry off kitchen, dining room features a faux pane tray ceiling with LED lighting, built-in china closet. You must see this custom-designed home to appreciate all the extras. Example: 40 kW whole house generator, 1,000 gallons propane tank which also services the fireplace, pool heater, tiki torches, grill. Tons of hidden features: 3 train 20 seer ACs, whole house dehumidification system, icynene spray foam insulation, Anderson impact double pane insulated windows, alarm and cameras.